Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to install themes on your guys' jailbroken iOS 11 to 11.1.2 jailbreakable iDevice. So with that being said, let's get straight into this video. Alright, so first off, guys, there are some prerequisites to this video. If you guys did not check out how to jailbreak and install some applications that you guys will be needing in order to install themes and tweaks on your guys' iDevice, go ahead and click on the top right hand side of the screen right now. Click on the card and it will go ahead and redirect you guys to my tutorial on how to get the Electra jailbreak anemone files that escaped, as well as the zip app application. The links will also be inside of the description as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial. So once you guys have all 4 applications on your iDevice, you guys will need to find a deb file for a particular theme that you guys want to install. So for my example, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install my theme, which is called Bliss, and I have a deb file for it on my Google Drive. But you guys will need to find a deb file online. I do recommend you guys uploading it to a Google Drive account, which makes it a lot easier in the process. So I'm going to be showing you guys that method right now. But anyways, guys, if you guys are on Safari and you guys are downloading a deb from there, just go ahead and do the following steps until you get to the zip app opening launcher. So with that being said, let me go ahead and show you guys what I mean. So anyways, guys, here's my deb file called Bliss. I'm gonna go ahead and just click on it. Let's say you downloaded this on Safari and then you guys want to go ahead and have it download. So inside of Google Chrome, I'm gonna go ahead and click on open with right here. I'm gonna go ahead and wait for it to do its thing, and then you guys will see this exact same window as well. So once you guys see this, you guys want to go ahead and swipe over until you find copy to zip app free. Go ahead and click on that and then wait for it to open up. It's going to ask you if you guys want to unarchive the deb file. Go ahead and click on yes, and then you guys will see that you guys have the new folder. So click it, open, and then you guys will see a couple .tar files. You want to click on the data.tar.gz. Click on that one and then unarchive that. Then you guys will see a data file. Click on there, click on library, click on themes, and then you guys will see what the theme actually has installed for you guys. So for my theme, for example, I have the Bliss application, which basically has all the themes of all the applications, and then as well as another blue folders.theme. So from here, once you guys are there, you guys are good to go. So go ahead and you guys will need to now open up files that escape. And you guys, like my last video, you want to click on Apps Manager on the very bottom. You want to click on the star, and then you want to click on Apps Manager. Click on that, and then it's going to load all your guys' applications on your guys' iDevice. You want to go ahead and scroll down until you find zip app free. So mine's right here. Going to go ahead and open that up. And then you guys want to click on Documents, Imported Files, and then you guys will see the Bliss Final folder, or whichever themes folder that you guys are downloaded. Then you want to click on Data, Library, Themes, and then you guys will see the .theme files right here again. So from here, you guys want to click on and copy these 2 specific files by clicking edit at the top right and then clicking copy at the bottom left hand corner. And once those are copied over, you guys want to go ahead and click back until you get to the root of your guys' iDevice. So I'm going to go ahead and keep on clicking back until I see the / at the very top. So just like my last video that I showed you guys, is basically you guys will need to copy this to this specific directory and go into Bootstrap right here, library, and then themes. Now, and for future references for installing themes, I would recommend you guys clicking on the star, clicking the plus so you guys can bookmark it, and I'm going to go ahead and press on done just for future references. So once that's there, and you guys will see the themes folder is blank, how it should be, you guys want to go ahead and paste it inside of this particular folder by clicking the bottom left hand side where the clipboard's at and hit paste. Now, once they are pasted inside of your guys' iDevice, you guys are good to go, and you guys can just go ahead and go home and then hit the anemone application. Wait for it to load, and you guys will see the theme actually installed. So clicking on it, you guys will see that you will have the Bliss application. It may or may not be selected. Mine is already selected, so I'm just going to have it selected on there. And then you guys can click on preview at the top, and then go ahead and press apply. Then the phone will respring, and then you guys will have the theme installed on your guys' iDevice. Now, I basically already had it pre-installed, so it's not going to show the default stock application icons. But anyways, there you guys go. That's how you install themes on your guys' iDevice running iOS 11 to 11.1.2. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like down below. Also subscribe to get videos just like this in the future, as well as a lot more videos in regards to iOS 11, as well as top tweaks and themes, since I'm going to be returning that series with iOS 11 as well. Don't forget to also follow me on Snapchat, and also don't forget to also follow me on my Twitter page and my Facebook page to be informed on everything jailbreak related and to stay up to date on what's been going on inside of the jailbreak world. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. This is EliteAppleHacks signing out.